To use your GO2bank credit card, start by activating it online or by phone, following the instructions provided with your card. Once activated, you can use your card for purchases, pay bills, or get cash at an ATM. First, make sure you have your card information and account details readily available. Your GO2bank credit card account can be accessed online or through the mobile app, allowing you to track your spending, view statements, and make payments. When making a purchase, simply swipe, insert, or tap your card at a payment terminal, depending on the type of terminal and your card's capabilities. You can also use your card for online purchases by entering your card number, expiration date, and security code. To pay bills, log into your account and navigate to the Bill Pay section, where you can add payees and schedule payments. You can also set up automatic payments for recurring bills. If you need cash, you can use your card at an ATM, but be aware that you may be charged a fee for this service. To avoid interest charges, make sure to pay your balance in full by the due date. You can make payments online, by phone, or by mail. It's also important to monitor your account regularly to catch any suspicious activity and report it to GO2bank immediately. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your GO2bank credit card safely and effectively, while also taking advantage of its benefits and features. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to prevent unauthorized use.